but these are bomb. These are super bomb. Like, these are the best samples I've ever gotten for free. For free. Yo, I don't know. You need to hit up Sunshine Delights, because these are some bomb sample kits. I've never seen a sample kit this good for these types of products. Yeah, I'm sold. I am definitely sold. And I feel like, you know, now that we're trying to get a little bit back on our feet, we're you know, getting our cash, it's important to support small business owners. It's important that we keep those tiny, like, little mom and pop shops alive during this time and after. I've always been a firm believer that, you know, the lifeblood of a neighborhood, or lifeblood of, you know, even the internet, is these small companies, right? And we gotta help keep them afloat, especially when they're making bomb things like this. This is bomb. I'm not even lying to you, y'all. This is super bomb. Like, I'm telling you that you should get Sunshine Delights, because right now my feet are excited for this pedicure, especially since it's quarantine and I got quarantine feet. I'm letting y'all know they ashy. There's probably a hairy toenail, knuckle, or something in there, but y'all gonna see my feet be rejuvenated by the magic of Sunshine Delights. And you know, and a little bit of champagne ain't gonna hurt either. But let's start our video. You ready? Let's do it. Yeah. Oh, also, I'm gonna put a link to the company and all that sweet information below the video. So make sure you look below and then look over to it. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now don't laugh at my feet, y'all. I got them quarantine feet. You see it? Oh, look how dusty and musty and crusty these are. Oh, they so dry. But I got this awesome package. Oh, we're gonna put them in. Oh, is it hot? Is it too hot? Oh, it's perfect. It is absolutely perfect. So I got this kit, and the first thing we're gonna do, I don't know if that works. It's a scrub brush. I don't know how they do this on there. This doesn't do anything. But yeah, basically I get the scrub brush. See that? Let's see. I also have socks. I have some cream. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't, but there'll be better videos of it later. Let's see what else. I just need to soak these doggies. I have to do some cut seams anyway. So I also have champagne. Yeah. Just let that relax. Okay, so it's a little scrub brush. So our next step. Oh, it tickles. It tickles. So a little scrub there. Put that back in. And then do a little scrub here. Here we go. So scrubbing it out. I like to use a nail scrub. See that? So I'll put it on here. Ooh, put them back in. This is my at-home coffee scrub. And once you rinse your feet off though, this water is donezo. Call it an end. So you see that? I know it looks like dirt, but it's not dirt. Not that it matters. I know it looks like dirt, but it's not dirt. We're gonna do the foot scrub. It's not dirt. I promise you it's not dirt. I got big feet, y'all. It is just what it is. So on this foot, I use both hands. It doesn't matter if there's soap on your foot. You just want to make sure you get this. So this is a coffee scrub. And the reason I like to use this coffee scrub is because coffee works to tighten the skin on your body. It's a good cellulite. Well, it doesn't cure cellulite, but it makes your cellulite look less pronounced. If you're a person who cares about that. Because everybody has cellulite. But I like the idea of having my foot look all, you know, righty and tidy. So you get the ankle too, why not? And I'll show you how I make my foot scrub later. But right now, just rinse it off. If you can get it off. I went a little too ham. I went a little too ham right there. A little too ham sandwich. Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah, your water is donezo. It's okay. Your feet will look amazing. Make sure you get as much off as possible. Well, basically, you made a big coffee cup out of your feet. So, let me grab the towel. Stuff, move this around. Okay, so what we do now is take our towel, ta-da, towel, and try to get as much of that coffee off as possible. So, there we go. There we go. Don't worry if your feet's a little red. There we go. So, here we go. Dry off the first foot. Try not to get it into the bowl. There we go. I know, it's gonna look a little dry for a little bit, but it's quite all right. Pat it down. Don't rub. Don't rub. Okay. Ooh, hold up. Put your foot down on the towel while you take care of the other towel, other foot. Okay, here we go, here we go, there we go. Ooh, hold up, let's move you back a little bit, there. And look at that. So we're looking at this. I don't know if you can see that, it probably doesn't matter, but here you go. So my feet are looking mad veiny, but we're just gonna give it a little bit more love right here, and here we go. Here we go. Oh, much better. Make sure you get in between the toes, get them heels. Okay, and now you should really, I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that? Look at that. That looks so good. I love like the whipped creamness of it. Like this is really nice. I like the creaminess. This looks phenomenal. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna do this foot again. And you can put this on your hand. Oh, hold up, let me just get my hand. Let's just rub the whole thing, get it. Make sure you get in between the toes. Make sure you get the heel. Get them heels. Okay. Work that in. Ooh. Oh, very happy feet. Very, very happy feet. You see that? Yes. They feel and look very moisturized. And now, for the coup de grace, let's do it. So, pull on a pair of comfy socks. There we go. And I think my toenails were cut before this. One more. Okay. And there you have it. Complete pedicure. You just leave these babies in overnight, and when you wake up in the morning, you will have baby soft feet. Bye.